Today we are going to talk about Grain, an AI-powered analytics tool that helps you to understand why visitors convert or why they leave without taking the action. Many businesses get traffic on their website, but they do not clearly understand what users are doing, where they get confused, or what actually pushes them to sign up or buy. Grain is built to answer these questions using the AI-driven insights. In this video, I will explain what Grain is, how it works, who it is useful for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal that fits into this tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explore simple AI tools and practical software that help you to make better decisions. If this type of content help you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link in the description to explore Grain and any available offers. By using description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or doing anything extra manually. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Basically, at its core, Grain is designed to help you understand user behavior in a clear and meaningful way. Instead of only showing the number and charts, Grain focuses on revealing the patterns that explain why users convert or drop off. It uses AI to analyze the user actions, sessions, and the events, then turn the data into insights you can actually use. When you visit the official Grain website and access the dashboard, the layout feels very clean and focused. You connect Grain to your website, and once the data starts coming in, the platform begins tracking how users move through your pages. It looks at clicks, scroll behavior, time spent, and key actions related to conversions. This information is then processed by AI to highlight the important behavior patterns. One useful part of Grain is how it groups users based on similar actions. Instead of looking at one user at a time, you can see trends across many visitors. For example, you may notice that users who convert often interact with a specific section of your page, while users who leave early may get stuck or confused at another point. This helps you to understand what is working and what needs improvement. Grain is especially helpful for marketers, product teams, founders, and website owners who want to improve conversion rates without guessing. Instead of changing things randomly, you can use the real insight to make smarter decisions. This saves time and reduces the risk of making changes that do not actually help. Another important feature is how Grain presents insight in simple language. You do not need to be a data expert to understand what is happening. The AI highlights conversion drivers and friction points in a way that feels clear and actionable. This makes the tool beginner-friendly even for the people who are new to analytics. Grain also works well alongside other tools that you are already using. You can use its insights to improve the landing pages, sign-up flows, and pricing pages or onboarding experiences. Many users find that combining Grain insights with design or content changes leads to better results over time. Now let's talk about the AppSumo. Grain is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay one time instead of paying monthly. This is useful for startup and small teams that want long-term access without ongoing costs. The first AppSumo tier is usually suitable for beginner or a small website. It provides access to core analytics features with limited uses, which is enough to understand the basic conversion behavior and test the tool. The next tier gives you higher limits and more flexibility. You can track more sessions, analyze deeper user behavior, and unlock the additional AI insights. This tier works well for growing businesses that want regular optimization. And higher tiers are designed for the advanced users and teams. These plans support higher traffic volumes, more detailed analysis, and broader insight coverage. If your website gets steady traffic and conversions matter a lot to your business, these tiers offer more control. Now, if you are already looking for a smarter way to understand what drives conversions on your website, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link can be a practical option. You simply choose the tier that matches your traffic and needs. Overall, Grain is a strong AI analytics tool for people who want clarity instead of guesswork. It helps you see what truly influences the user decisions so you can improve your website with confidence and purpose. So that's it for today's video. That was the review and the AppSumo deal. So if you found this video helpful, then please give it a like and share it with someone who is looking for the insight tools. Now, thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech, and I will see you in the next one.